Well done, chef. Are they on the menu?
Yeah, very barbecue chicken, rice, white rice. I mean, they
I don't care a menu card, please. A menu card. Oh, but it's heavy. Everything on this, you know? Everything on the oh. Ah, then wait and look after, okay. Look, we can eat now, so. Then I just have oxtail and chicken ready right now, can share. How them food as well, bro? That's it.
You press them then, right?
Oh, barbecue, pork and oh, oxtail and so now. I look for that.
With that. 3.9.
Oh, oxtail, 3,900. 3,900 for the oxtail, people. I know you shrimps and garlic butter, sweet and sour curry. Oh, come on. Sandwich, burger. So I'm an appetizer, I really want to follow, you know. Trust me. I really want to eat, you know. I don't want a chicken still. How about them?
Ribs, pork ribs.
Pork ribs. So much of that dish there?
Just some
And the same thing?
barbecue pork spare ribs.
Okay, 3.9. Okay.
Take on.
Wow. You not sell soup too?
No, we're not food.
Oh. Garlic salad.
Garden salad.
Garden salad. You have that?
Yeah, man, we have salad.
So it mixed with it. No, oh, just a salad alone and you can get with chicken
Yeah, with chicken or shrimp.
or shrimps. Okay. Like the garden salad. Look what I said. Like the garden salad. Burger. Steamed fish with vegetable. You want this one?
You put your
Vegetable.
eh?
Enough vegetable on it, don't it? Carrot and something upon it, cut up on it. Irish and into it. Pumpkin on it. Yeah, man, doing this. And people so. How long? How long? So, I'm going to wait. Go and wait till him come up with them stuff now. Oh, I have to deal with them. I still don't know what to say. Oh, press up, see it?
Yeah.
Come on. Good focus for me still, isn't it? Yeah, people, so. Steamed fish, the vegetable. You should.
Steamed fish with vegetable.
Here now, hour. And the rubber rubber car, you know the car play, so. Steamed fish, vegetable. Taking it away. Yeah. Anything else? Anything else? What else, no Sarah? Tell me now, I don't know.
One festival.
Oh, so everybody see the steamed fish and get the vegetable. Must get side as on it.
Richard.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
How much that oil? Okay, good. Where's your chef? We can show us case of work. Alright, put it on. Come on. I make up in vegetable and all for do it. Yeah. So your name, chef?
Eh?
What's your name?
Richian.
Rishian. Rishian.
Richian. I can say Chef Salmon, you know?
Okay. So if anybody want to use it for doing a chefing work, and can get you for do it?
Yeah, man.
So you have
Always find me here just like that.
find it right here. Okay. You have a number you can anybody can call it differently.
Yeah, man. Me have a contact details. Give me a minute.
Yeah, man, so I'm gonna get the vegetable up. All that bami. Okay. I'll get the vegetable up. Sweet pepper, carrot, turnip and pumpkin. when you do it now, you know, say, when you make a serve, a bill of serve and steamer, you know, say, boy, if you use 3 okra or 4 okra, 1 carrot, 1 Irish, you just know, say, that of your...
Alright, you see, more time, it depends on the size of them sticks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it depends on the size of them. Okay, then the bigger than this name, would I use maybe 3 or 4 of them, but to them small, that's
Yeah. I understand. I like how you use up your garlic. Yeah, man. I like that because I love garlic, you know. Good thing. I like that.
garlic add flavor, you know.
Yeah, man. You go to school to learn to cook?
Yeah, man.
So you're a big chef then, man.
Chef the party by certification, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't know if you understand what I mean by that.
Young people, so as you can see, the chef are getting up and running and ready. Right now to get things to see. Yeah, because don't know another place for them to get food with that. Olive oil they use? Oh, vegetable. Ocean 7 rooftop bar and grill. See near them people. Very nice, these are people, trust me, let's go and flex with the flex, you know? Yeah, man.
You want it spicy or?
Yeah, man, spicy. And well seasoned up, you know? Smell good. Kitchen looking alright and so forth, yeah. Clean works. Come on. Real flavor, you know. You can smell it with people. Oh, because I don't smell it, I alone I smell it with people. I mean the chef alone I smell it with all the people. Flavor up already, you know. Come on. Hello, beautiful, right? Want to say hi to my people? No. Okay. Chef know him things, you know? Yeah. Yes, chef, I like how you operate, you know, for real. I like how you operate, for real, you. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know if you do your thing, you know? You know if you keep your place ready and tidy, you know? Yeah, man. That's the way to go. You know, people, if it does highlight our Jamaican brothers, you know? Yeah, man, and brothers and sisters, when they not do the right and proper thing, you see? People. That is it.
Any side order with it? As in Bami or
No. Also, where it come with me again?
it comes naturally with crackers.
Switch on them. Yeah, I can see the people, yeah, man. All good, you know? All good. Simmering down. Sometimes you know, add pepper in it. I put country pepper in it. You can ask the customers to say, taste this and tell me how it go. Can't let me taste it. The amount of your taste full up a too much taste, you know that. The amount of taste you taste. Hey. You know the chef roll, you know? You know the people, so you see it? Yeah, man. I say, you're a big chef too, Baba. Big chef too. I want to make some pasta. Chef, I look for some pasta. Them say, come on, the people them order them have pasta can get to them food and stuff. Yeah, man. Really. Yeah, man. Set up everything, you know? Yeah. Oh, look my people, colourful. Colourful. Yeah, man, red, gold and green. I'm not seeing no yellow, no yellow pepper. Oh, I'm not use the tomato. I'm not use tomato. Yeah, I'm not use tomato. Okay. That's so. I hear see, but I'm gonna take over. You see, do you see that? Come on, so food that come on the people, is it? Yeah. You want more, you know, you want pepper? Yeah, but you know taste. Can I ask if you want it hot, you know? I'm telling you, yeah, hot. My channel on YouTube, you know? Jamaica Land Love.
Jamaica Land Love?
Yeah. Huh?
You put butter in it?
Just started here. Yeah? No, take in. Eh? Just start up around. I go about a year and now. Come on, things are come up around people. Ready. That's it. You know, so the crackers them have to limited, you know. Check them then and count them. Crackers are just showing a bag like over there, yeah. They just show crackers. One of them places crackers count.
Yeah, crackers have count.
Yeah, one crackers count, but these customers get at least 5 customers. You can't get more than 5. If a double plate, you can't get more. You crackers some more time to get look out. Warm in night, yeah. Yeah, man, with the great, yeah. That's chef too, you know. You know? Yeah, man. Chef from my mother. Teach me, straight. You know, in the yard and you're cooking, you know, you're bad. Yeah, man. You're bad, man. Trust me, without telling a lie, you're bad. Yeah. And the thing with me now, I don't really know you see them season where them have, or just a ground season, me know. Bad man, when I cook with the ground season, bad man. I know, we can't tell you this, my chef. A lot of people in the cooking world, see? But then they even know, say, it's a cooking, if the food tastes good, no care what season you have in it. If you're not loving your heart towards your cooking, food never tastes good. It will never taste good. You could have full it a season look more and you so clean. The food can't taste good, bro. I tell you the truth. Yeah, man. Around the scoop on the yeah. My most Bruh, I wanna go and see me and lick me. Judge, I know my people. God know. The food that we get appetite, turn up. Ready for going out, man, I tell you. That's all the things set, you know. Put him on the counter, what me put on the counter, but then get the beautiful face of it. Yeah. Yeah, my people. Looking good. Excellent. Absolutely excellent. Thank you, my blood. Finish your work. Can give me a contact for you, know.
Alright, so the contact info is 876-330-4497 or 876-853-4222.
Alright, my people.
Chef Richie and our Chef Summer. Whenever you come back to Ocean 7, our after Chef Devon Brown.
Yeah, Devon Brown.
Yeah, Devon Brown.
Chef Van Brown, yeah. Peace and love, my chef. Big spread. Every time. Yeah, man. Lady. Hello, young lady. Can you please just tell me how many I must give you that I can walk along with this food I don't want? When I go in this lovely box of food, everybody come and accost me and say, you didn't pay. How much is my bill? 4,200. Okay. Without the tax.
You're not dining, so you're not paying for service charge.
If I was dining, I'll pay different. Will I be how much? 4,000.
10% off the 4,000.
Okay. Don't know, we love the explanation, you know? Come on, 2,000. See 200 here. Sales about the money, yeah?
Thank you.
Angle it kind of rough more time. What going to tell, man? Yeah, people, so get that now so we are running, go up on the road, you know? Sit down. Stand up. You say sit down. Respect, you done? Every time. Pick up yourself. Yeah, people, so running out. Zin. Yeah, man. That's the way it goes, you know? Bless up. And people was waiting here, you know, but like we couldn't wait no longer, my friend said, oh. Thank you, sweet girl. And my friend said, yeah, man, so this is it with people done from the mall. Yeah, done over there, you know. Yeah, I'm quick, bro. Yeah, man. This is it. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day. We thank you for this food, oh my God. Ask you to bless it, oh my God. Bless it in every way. That we can be filled when we eat it, oh my God. And feel pleased and feel happy about it. In thy name and thy praise. Thank you in thy mighty name. Amen. Yes, the people, so this is it. It's it. Come on. See it? Yeah. Excellent. Excellent, my people. Excellent. Flavor. La pepper, yeah? I eat everything. Come on. Irish, pumpkin, carrot. It's good. Yeah, man. Crackers, steamed fish and crackers. Like one. Real Jamaican taste, huh? People, with a ball. Ball. Pepper, I top the space more. Garlic. You know what I'm using there? An onion. Plus an onion. Plus scallion there. that. Them carrot are the big, like a foreign carrot, man. It's the real sensation of Jamaica, yeah? Yeah, man. Come in, my people, what have you waiting on? Come to Jamaica, come enjoy yourself. I'm gonna feel I'm gonna know you, man. Yeah, I'm coming from people. And them just start smell it. Them attack. Watch the man. Fire come by the thousand and all. The juice bad. So that juice, some people. The juice, huh? I have a pot full of apple drink, just sit down and drink it out. Now, if you have nothing nice, just eat alone, with the vegetable. Cook down with the fish. And season of savory. Young people, yeah, that was it, that was good. Yeah, feeling good about that lunch. Eat one fish, yeah, feel good about that, you know. Okay, next one I give the feed. If you want it, if you don't want it, I'm just put it until you come eat it. But really feel good. Yeah. give thanks to my people, you know. Yeah, man. Won't be possible unless just because of you, my people, my beloved people. 'Cause remember, just you, my people, bet what happened right now, you see? So give thanks and thank you so much. Yeah, I'm done for them all same way because I can't see the people. There, look a bit again, soon circle around again.